Kids are expensive. Extracurriculars like music lessons, swimming lessons, cheerleading, football. They want to do them all, but that just digs deeper in your pockets, right? And aren't you sick of having to tell them to either pick or choose or not be able to do any at all because funds are tight? Let's face it, it's tough making ends meet with just a solo income. You gotta have multiple streams of income coming in to provide the life of your dreams for yourself and your kids. I have a daily blueprint, which includes 4 digital products that allow you to earn commissions. It's beginner friendly, and you can get it set up and start getting daily payments within the next 48 hours. If you want more info about this extra stream of income, put ready in the comments.